In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Uber Eats notifications. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a couple of different ways to do this. So the first way is to click and hold down your Uber Eats app on your phone, and then click on the little eye next to Uber Eats. This is going to bring you to the app info. And then under where it says privacy, go ahead and click on to notifications. And from here, if it says allow notifications, if it's turned off, just simply toggle it on. And also you can, under alerts, you can allow sound and vibrations, which I recommend because when you get an order delivered, you want to be notified via a sound or vibration, or vibration, sorry. Or you can simply put on silent if you don't want it to be too intrusive. And if we look down below, we've got lock screen notifications. So you can, if it's got hide content, make sure to show content as well.